Good morning. It is Monday morning and I'm still in Morgantown, and I know I probably look a scary mess today, but it is about 6:30 in the morning. My mother had an appointment this morning and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get up and I'm going to film why they are not here. Not that it's a problem why they're here, just, you know, get it out of the way for the day, right? So I'm currently filming my apple cider bundt cake, which that recipe will be out this month, so be looking for that. It's going to be really, really good, and I cannot wait. I just preheated the oven over here, and I'm getting my day started. I did not do a day in a life yesterday, which was Sunday. We went to church. We stopped by Pizza Al's, got a pizza, came home, ate pizza, and I went and took a nap. That was my day yesterday, a nap. I was so exhausted from such a huge day. I mean, a huge week. I mean, it was the balloon festival. It was, oh my goodness, it was my friend's wedding rehearsal. It was my friend's wedding, and just was very, very busy. Plus, you know how when you go to stay someplace new and you have a hard time getting used to the bed? I didn't exactly sleep all that well last week, but I did get caught up yesterday and I do feel good about it, although I probably don't look like I'm totally rested this morning because of the fact that I have no makeup on and I just got up wearing my Guns N' Roses t-shirt and, you know, just just being comfortable today on this Monday. Hopefully you guys don't mind me keeping it real today. But I just laid out my butter and my eggs. They have to be at room temperature. I just preheated the oven over here. I'm really excited about these recipes that I'm sharing with you guys for ideas of things that you can take to a Thanksgiving gathering. I hope you guys are enjoying those videos. Understand that this is not my house, it's my parents' house, and the lighting is not 100% up to par like I would like it in the videos, but I still am going to share them with you guys because I think it's worth sharing the recipes, and I think overall I think they came out okay. I'm pretty excited about the food. My dad said he could get used to me being here because the other day I made my pumpkin bars and I did it early in the morning before they got out of bed, and he said, I think I could get used to getting up to smelling this kind of thing. I said, I bet you could. Bet you could. That's not going to happen, Dad. But yes, pumpkin bar recipe, delicious. Let's see what else. Orange Jello salad. That is a family recipe right there. It's kind of a weird thing when you look at what's in it and you think, I don't know how that works, but I promise you it is delicious. Today is apple cider cake. I'm going to get back to it, but I just wanted to come in here and just say good morning, guys. I've already had my coffee, can you tell? Because I'm rambling 100 miles an hour. But I am going to get off here. I'm going to get my apple cider cake going. So good morning, guys. Let's start Monday. Okay, I just got done filming. I just got to wash up everything. Yep. This is real life messiness here. But I just want to show you guys. It was a lot foggier earlier outside, but it's clearing up now. But down there, sometimes in the morning, deer will come out and they'll be grazing through here. And I've been hoping to see some while I'm here to get it filmed for you guys. I haven't seen a single deer this year. Usually it's already happened like, I don't know, 10 times. And they're usually just kind of randomly laying down there. But I don't see any. But maybe before I leave. But it is good and foggy. It's a nice cool morning. But I just love fall. Okay, while my cake is baking, I'm going to brew me a second cup of coffee. It is a second cup of coffee kind of day. So, yep, I've been raiding my dad's K-cups since I've been here. Somehow, when someone else is buying them, they're easier to drink. A lot up. Thanks, Dad. Waiting for my parents to get back, so I'm watching a little bit of Gilmore Girls. Nothing says fall like Gilmore Girls. I don't know what it is, but I notice other YouTubers watching Gilmore Girls, and today I am watching Gilmore Girls because I love this show and it is my all-time favorite.
Oh yeah, But if you cut them in half, surely.
Hello. So my mom and I they got home, and then I had a McDonald's sausage and egg biscuit, which I probably didn't need, but I had it anyways. And then we went to Dollar Tree and went to Walmart, and yeah, so now we're back home. I didn't do much filming in the stores, but I know you guys like to see what I purchased from the Dollar Tree. They have the best Dollar Tree here. I don't know if it's because they have better management, but where I live, the Dollar Trees look like they are ransacked. And here they're neat and stocked and clean, and it's just a joy to go to them. So the first thing I got was 2 pairs of these here fuzzy socks, because my feet have been really cold since I've been here, so I decided to get some fuzzy socks. They had these letter signs. This one's XOXO. I thought it'd be cute. I might put it somewhere for the wedding or for my wedding shower, which will be in February. They had this blue ginger foam conditioner by Herbal Essence. This is the last bottle that they had. And it being a name brand like that, I decided to give it a try. You can let me know if you guys have tried it, if you like it. Let's see what else. Oh, I got some batteries. These are Panasonic AA's. My toothbrush, since I got here, is going dead, and it's one of those battery operated toothbrushes. The other thing is some Blistex. I think the stuff in the blue can is the best Blistex, so got that. And I think that was all in that bag. Let's see. I'm going out possibly to see a friend, and they have a little dog, and it's named Teddy. So I got him a little toy because he's so cute. And I got some coconut oil moisturizing cream, which I thought was a good deal. I got these facial cleansers. I use these all the time to remove my makeup, and this is the coconut oil one. I find that anything with coconut oil really removes mascara, especially waterproof. I got Secret deodorant. This is the powder. So I got that. I got a thing of hand soap for the house. These I love. Oops. I love these huge bottles. I know that I have shared this before with you guys. This is the Berry Delicious. I really like these, and I think that they smell really good, and the size of the bottle is huge, so it lasts a good while. And our upstairs bathroom, we go through hand soap like crazy, which I don't want them to stop using hand soap, but you know, we got it. This is the lavender scented hand sanitizer. I always keep this in my gym bag and my purse. I never go anywhere without it. Something I've never tried before is the Yardley London. I've used their oatmeal soap, but this one here is activated charcoal. I hear everybody talking about it now, so I'm going to try it. It smells very nice too. Then that's it. And then I'm putting together my centerpieces for my wedding. That isn't until March, but you know, when you're planning a wedding, you get on it right away. So I needed 5 of these styrofoam balls. Well, I was getting out of the car and I dropped my bag of balls. And so juvenile, ain't it? Anyways, one of my balls is still underneath the car. So hopefully it'll get saved, because those were almost $4 a piece. And no, the Dollar Tree did not have any. And I have been to the Dollar Tree like 8 times trying to get those. I got a phone call, and anyways, then I got this nightgown that has coffees all over it. My mom got it for me. They are on sale for $4 at Walmart. That is all I purchased, and now I'm going to call my fiance back because he's going to wonder what happened to me. This is Heidi with Kiddos Corral. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd love to have you join in on all the fun videos that is coming ahead.